A cross-sectional area of the kidney, that is our third objective, structure of the kidney. A cross-sectional area of the kidney reveals that there are two sections or two layers or regions of the kidney. That is sectional area of the kidney. And that sectional area is usually longitudinal section of the kidney, has it that there are two regions that will dispose or reveal. These regions are the outer region and then the inner region. Our kidney is one organ that has a C shape or bean shape. Also, in the structure of the kidney, I should make sure that the diagram appear to have that shape. Either it is C shape, either I have this kind of shape, or I have this kind of shape. Or I have this kind of shape. So what is the shape of the kidney? You say it is either this shape, C shaped or bean shaped. Okay, I'm going to have the structure now. But before that, I'll make sure that I reveal those two regions of the kidney. So the structures appeared to look like either this shape, either bean shape or C shape. Okay, like I told you that this structure will reveal only two regions of the kidney. The outer region is the cortex. The inner region, as you can see, the whole of this region is the outside, and the whole of this region is the what? Inside. The outer region is being protected by a protein fiber called fibrous cortex. Okay, and then the inner region is the medulla. Okay, there are some other features again you see in the medulla, like the pyramid, the papilla, the pelvis. Okay, structures you see that are within the medulla. The concept of this kidney will not be well understood if we do not look at the units of the kidney. The functional and the structural, the basic structural and functional units of this particular organ is a cell known as the nephron. The nephron. So each kidney has millions of nephron, and it is this nephron that is actually what is functional in the kidney. This is just like a structure that its functionality depends on the nephron. It is in this nephron that urine are produced. I think I'm going to be discussing this in my last objective, urine formation. But before that, I would like to show you the position of a nephron in this kidney. Okay, now the nephron begins with a cup-shaped structure, called renal capsule or Malpighian caps or Malpighian bodies. It always begin with a cup shape, and that cup shape will be residing here. So what occupies this particular outer region of the kidney is this structure called the cortex. So it begins here. Okay, this is the structure here called the nephron. This is the whole of the nephron. It has about 6 regions. This is a region, another region here. This is a region, this is a region, this is a region. And then you now see that there's a collecting dot that goes down. Okay, now, The location of this particular region is in the cortex. All other regions are within the medulla. Okay, so when urine are formed, they move through this descending loop. They go ascending. This is the flow of urine. They go. This is urine. This spotted and dotted is urine. The moment it gets to this apex of the pyramid, the urine is opened and released gradually to the region here called pelvis. Okay, urine trickles down here, and from here, the urine flushes down to this particular long tube called the ureter. There's a structure really after the ureter called the bladder. It is in the bladder that this urine is temporarily stored until it's about to be exit through another structure called the urethra, which release this particular urine out of the body to the outside wall. Okay, this is the structure of the kidney and the true. But I'd like us to look at the regions, these particular regions of the nephron, and find out how it is structural and also functional.